With the Datsun now fixed, I wanted to see what it's like on the road. I planned a day trip to a temple located on a mountaintop just outside of Chiang Mai. A test to see how well the Datsun copes with the steep gradients. And on this day trip, I would not be on my own, as I had the truck's first passenger. And today I've got Millie joining me.
Hello!
Right, she's going to film. Right, let's get going then. Hopefully it starts, let's see. We're off. Yes. Chiang Mai has a population of 1.19 million, the largest city in northern Thailand, and is one of my favourite cities to visit. In the centre is the old city, surrounded by a moat and a wall. It consists of many quiet lanes and temples. This is where I was staying and where the journey would begin. Exciting!
Yeah.
First proper ride out. Gonna go get some tools and then hopefully go see a temple or two. Go for a bit of a ride out in the city. Before going anywhere though, I needed some fuel. As even though I didn't trust the fuel gauge, it was reading empty. Bloody crap. 95?
How much?
Full.
That's the camera help. That's the mirror help.
Not with that. Do you want to drive this car?
No.
You're driving back. You're driving back.
Mấy ao.
Ow.
Mấy ao.
These bikes.
You like I'm in the fun part.
Sorry?
You like I'm in the fun part.
The fun part. You feel like that guy was right saying chop D.
Maybe he think you both need luck.
I think we do. These bikes. They don't mind getting close, do they? Oh, bugger off. No, people bullying me. It's just I've got a little truck. Yeah, have some home.
Can you turn on the camera? Switch the camera.
Just turn it around. Just whatever you point at, it shoots. Found a car wash. Putting the grate in, directed us over here, and there's a great big hole in the ground. We sat down for a coffee while a number of people got to work washing the Datsun. It took about 30 minutes and I was surprised with how thorough they were with the clean. They even cleaned inside.
See the seat.
It's good that, isn't it?
Yeah.
120 baht. Well, nice outside as well. Right, anyway, let's go. Home Pro, off to Home Pro, get some tools. How clean. Oh, you've not locked it. Oh, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Much better. Yes. Having driven a lot of old cars before, I knew it wouldn't be long before I had some mechanical problems. These would undoubtedly happen somewhere remote away from civilization, up creek without a paddle. So I thought it was a good idea to get some paddles. But what to get, I wasn't too sure. I'll get these. Some screwdrivers. It might not seem too bad. Oh, I wish it had an extension though. One side. So that's like $2.99. That's in a fiver. Maybe I should buy a better one, I don't know. Get a chair.
Wait, when waiting for you to pick a car.
I won't be that long. Right. Does it say how long?
See, it's how long?
About say that. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, we'll get them. We'll get them. They'll do the job. Yeah, all right. Yeah. Come on then. Oh yeah. So I'll get these spanners a bit more. $3.90. It's still less than a tenner.
What's this for?
What's that? Oh, just for adjustments.
Okay.
With a total tool cost of 883 baht, I hoped I wouldn't need them, but at least now I stood a fighting chance if we broke down. You'll break it?
I know.
Hey, leave it! Look, what you done? Oh no!
No, you're not brave.
Curiosity killed the cat, eh? Aye, yeah, it worked before. I knew you won't be able to resist opening that. Once Millie had finished pulling the car apart, we set off for the temple. But as often happens in Thailand, we spotted something rather interesting on the way, and so parked up to have a look. We'd stumbled across Chiang Mai University's Agricultural Expo. This massive agricultural show was spread over 6 zones and 200 acres. We went to see what we could find. There were a lot of stalls selling flowers and plants from all over Thailand.
This is why we call Western people Farang.
Oh, is that the Farang?
Yeah, this is Farang in Java. The skin is like white.
I'm not that colour. Why not coconut?
No, coconut.
Why did they not call it coconut?
Maybe the skin is light.
I think coconuts are better than I thought it'd be that colour. I thought it'd be coconut colour.
But they call it Farang.
That's the one. All over. As well as some slightly more unusual crops. Eventually though, Millie found the stall she was looking for. What ice cream are you getting?
Coconut ice cream. Coconut. Is it local coconut ice cream?
Does that make it better, healthier? Yeah. Good ice cream.
Great ice cream.
Put rice in the ice cream. Did they put rice in everything? Yeah.
Depends.
Depend on what?
Depend on.
Yeah, I think they put rice in everything. And then I found a stall that interested me. Swaddy crap. Yes. So 40 litre?
Yeah, 40
litre, yeah. Underneath, so you the crop?
Yeah.
You spray?
Yeah, get spray for the fertilizer.
Oh yeah. That's cool. And how much is that the price?
No.
The battery?
Battery, yeah.
Battery. And how long does it fly?
Around 10 minutes.
10 minutes, 10 minutes, yeah. Yeah, and then you swap battery.
Yes.
Yeah, look at the size of the battery. Big. Massive, isn't it? Yeah. You got it. There was also a lot of stalls selling farm produce, like this succulent crispy pork. How much was that?
120 baht.
120 baht, so £2 something.
เหมือนปากของคนเราใช่ไหมครับถ้าปากของเราเจ็บเฉพาะไส้ก็จะกินอาหารน้อยๆก็จะทำให้
พันธุ์ของ CMU ครับผมปรับปรุงขึ้นมา
See
ใหม่
the
ของพันธุ์
new like
New.
type, yeah.
New type.
อันนี้ก็เมลอนจ้ะ
ครับผมเมลอนครับ
This is also melon.
นี่จะสีเขียวกับสีส้มครับมี2 พันธุ์
The fruit.
There were different crops on display.
บริการนะครับสำหรับผู้ที่มาเที่ยวงานเกษตรภาคเหนือครั้งที่ 10 ขึ้นครั้งที่ 10 นะครับ ก็แวะเวียนเข้ามาซื้อนะครับเลือกซื้อเลือกหากันได้นะครับ ก็ขอเรียนเชิญนะครับ ขอต้อนรับนักท่องเที่ยวนะครับที่ผ่านไปผ่านมานะครับเตรียม
I don't think you're meant to get in.
รอรับผู้ที่มาเที่ยวนะครับ
Do you want a picture?
ช่วงบ่าย
Yeah.
หรือว่าท่านใดนะครับ
They even had university students demonstrating the latest research, as well as ploughing and equipment demonstrations. Free popcorn. We found our way onto a free electric shuttle bus that took us to Millie's favourite area of the day, the animals. We could have spent days here and still not seen everything. It was time, however, for the Datsun to face its mountain climb and head to the temple. No problem. No problem. No problem for the Changyo. No problem. Right, where do we park? We made it to Wat Phra Ta Doi Kham, a stunning temple that overlooks the city. The Datsun's first day trip was an outstanding success and reminded me of what makes Thailand such a great place. In the next episode, I want to push it a little further and see what it's really capable of. Hopefully I'll see you then. Till next time.